Section 351 BNS, Criminal Intimidation Simplified for you. Subsection 1. The core definition. Criminal intimidation is said to be committed when whoever threatens another person in any way with harm to their body, their property, their reputation, or of someone they care about, even deceased, with intent to cause alarm or force them to do something they're not legally required to do, or to stop them from doing something they're legally allowed to do. Explanation clause. Even if the threat is to a dead person's reputation, it's still covered under criminal intimidation if the target is interested in that person. Illustration. A threatens to burn B's house so that B doesn't file a civil case. A is guilty under Section 351. There are 3 types of punishment based on the severity of criminal intimidation. Number 1. Punishment for simple criminal intimidation. Subsection 2 describes punishment, which includes imprisonment up to 2 years, or fine, or both. Number 2. Punishment for aggravated intimidation. Subsection 3 describes if threat involves death, grievous hurt, property destruction by fire, threat of an offense punishable with death or imprisonment for life, or with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 7 years, or imputing unchastity to a woman. Punishment for such cases attracts imprisonment up to 7 years, or fine, or both. Number 3. Punishment for anonymous threats. Subsection 4 describes if the criminal intimidation is sent anonymously or sender hides identity or address, an extra punishment of up to 2 years, in addition to the punishment stated in the subsection 2 and 3, whichever applies. Subscribe to Cop and Code for more simplified law videos.